Alright y'all, this is better than bouillon base. This stuff is liquid gold. Make sure you're throwing this in there, as well as a couple squirts of Worcestershire sauce. We're gonna give that a quick mix, and then we're gonna come back in with our roast. We're gonna set that on top. It's gonna come up about 2/3 of the way up, and then we're gonna make sure get all those juices. We don't want to miss out on any of that flavor. We're gonna throw some rosemary, some thyme in, give those a quick little dunk, and throw the top back on and pop it in the oven for 2 hours. I like to set an alarm on my watch just so I don't forget, but in the meantime, let's talk about the sponsor of today's video. Now, LMNT is an electrolyte drink mix, and they have everything you need and nothing that you don't. Now, LMNT delivers a truly meaningful dose of electrolytes without the sugar, junky fillers, or artificial colors that are found in traditional sports drinks. Now, I typically mix this with a half-gallon jug, and it just helps me to stay on track with my daily hydration. Now, say you just got done at the gym and you want to shake. Well, I got you. Pull out that blender. Let's mix together some ice, blueberries, vanilla protein powder, water, and an orange salt stick. Give it a quick blend, and boom, you got a hydrating, protein-packed shake that tastes as good as it looks. We're gonna throw a couple mint leaves on there for garnish. Now, we'll have a link in the description so you guys can check them out and get some for yourself. Thank you, LMNT, for sponsoring this video.